So now let's see how we can utilize the copy on connect feature inside of diagrams.net. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto the general section and bring in, let's say, a shape right here. So if I were to go around onto the shape and click and drag this out right here, you can see that a copy of this shape is made by default. But sometimes we may not just want it. In that case, we can go around onto the extras section, and from over here, we can disable the copy on connect. So once we do this, what happens is that if I were to go around and pull out a connection line right here, then it does not copy out that shape right there. But if I were to go around and enable that again, then what happens is that a copy is made once more, just like this. And that is how you can utilize and enable and disable the copy on connect feature inside of diagrams.net. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.